I'd say that'll do it. Yeah, that'll definitely do it. Haven't been changed since April 19th of 2023. It's dated that way on each one of these, so that's our first step. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but the belt, it's definitely sounding like it's worn out in there. So I'm gonna leave these out. Well, that's no good. Gotta come in and do a full maintenance on this thing, get some documentation here, take some pictures of the belt size. That way we can do that. 16 by 20 by 2s, 4 of them. Like I said, I'm just gonna leave these out for now. Realistically, this thing probably just needs a maintenance just to be overlooked. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and check the capacitor to make sure there's no issues. Both of these fan motors have been replaced. Everybody's favorite technique has been done where they put the reversing leads up through it. So we're gonna go ahead and check over everything like that and make sure it's running as it should. This is our line coming in right here on this side. And then we got 3 that go up past through there and come up to our condenser side. And then we also got the 3 passing through to go to our electric electric heat over here. Let's verify. I mean, the unit did shut down, so it should be dead, right? But we'll always double check. L1, L2, L1, L3, L2, L3. We're good. And you always just go ahead, check at the ground. All right, cool. We're good there. Of course, we had to verify that the power was dead, just like we have to verify if we have missed calls. Having a missed call is a missed opportunity for a job. If you're running a business, you know in HVAC specifically, if you're missing a call, you're missing a lead no matter what. That's why smart contractors like you and me are using Free to Grow, an AI voice answering system that picks up every single call so you don't miss any. It sounds natural, it answers instantly, and it books appointments 24/7. So if you're on the roof or you're off the clock, you're not missing a call. No more voicemails, no lost leads, just more booked calls. That way you have time to focus on the work that matters. So don't forget, give this number a call. Your phone should be growing your business, not slowing it down. Also, I'm going to message the winner from the last video about the hat. That way you guys can get one shipped out to you. Appreciate everybody that commented. Now let's get on with the video. Let's see what they was going for there.
get some longer screws on that. All right, so we got a 5er and a 5er. Do one at a time, that way I don't get these all confused. All right. 4 point, okay, come on, bitch. 4.8. So what we got? I usually just do a 10%. So on a 5, that's going to be what? 0.5. So it's within its range there. We'll have to get a bigger strap or grab a couple. Let's go ahead and pop. Go ahead and take these all the way off. Ah, it was a jumper, and that'll do it. All right, she's. And what's that bitch? Oh, fuck it, we got it all the way out. Let's just check the whole thing by its lonesome. All right, she's cooked, so we need to get a new one of those. Just remember where your wires went when you do this. And then I'm just gonna put them back how they were. In the meantime, we'll get the appropriate size scrap. We could go ahead and check our continuity on our contactors. Ohm them out, make sure, I mean, between 10 and 20. I think you should be fine. 15, Gucci Poochie. And that's just from the other side, passing through. These are testing fine. Really, it's gonna come down to that motor. I mean, it's doing what it needs to do in its current condition with what it has, so I'm gonna go ahead and button this thing up so we can get out of here. Hot as shit. that's going to conclude today's video. Just a quick little inspection, little diagnostic. Honestly, this thing probably just needs some maintenance. With that being said, y'all could smash the like button. Consider subscribing if you're new here. All my subscribers, y'all already know. I appreciate y'all. I'm going to catch y'all on the next one. Later.